Happy birthday, Amma.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. My dear Sangi, happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sangi. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a happy birthday, Sangi.
Hi Sangi, wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day and a wonderful year ahead. 40 is just the beginning of life and enjoy every moment of the day, month and year after year. Wish you a very happy, peaceful and contented life. All the best. God bless you. Take care. Bye.
Hi Sangi, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. We had planned lot of fun for this year's May 18th, but somehow we missed it. अभी जब हम बेंगलुरु आएंगे तभी बहुत मज़ा करेंगे. ओके, so the party is pending. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, happy birthday to you Sangi, happy birthday to you. Enjoy the day my dear, love you a lot, take care, see you soon, bye.
To you, Sangeeta. Happy birthday to you. Many more returns of the day.
Hi, Sangdu.
Best wishes ever as always.
हाय संगड़ू, तू मेरे 20 साल बाद पैदा हुई है. हाँ, मैं तेरे से 20 साल बड़ी हूँ. पैर पड़. चलो, एंजॉय.
சங்கீதா கொண்ட எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு என்ன ஓர்ம வருது தெரியுமா? நீ சேதா விலாசில் இருக்கிறத டெய்லி தூங்கி எழுந்துட்டு யூனிஃபார்ம் எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு அம்மா கொஞ்சம் கூட தூங்கத்துவா, அம்மா கொஞ்சம் கூட தூங்கத்துவா, அதான் ஓர்ம வருது. அதெல்லாம் டோல் பேக் ஹேடேஃபா ஈயா ஈயா அந்த பாட்டு சொல்றது ஓர்ம வருது. அண்ட் வேற ஒரு காரியம் சொல்றது என்னன்னா, when we had been to Bangalore we had a great time. So whenever we are there every day, அத்தை அவனுக்கு முளகுட்டல் பிடிக்குமா, அத்தை அவனுக்கு ராஜ்மா பிடிக்குமா, daily we had a great time with you when we were in Bangalore.
Dear Sangeeta, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health, wealth, happiness always. எனக்கு இப்போ என்ன ஓரமாக வருதுன்னா, உங்களோட கல்யாண சமைக்கு பிராமண ஹாலில் நீயும் சுஜாதாவமாக 2 பேருமா பாட்டு பாடினேன். எனக்கு அதாவது இப்போ ஓரம் வருது. அந்த சின்ன மூஞ்சியும் உங்கள் 2 பேரோட அந்த சின்ன மூஞ்சியும் அந்த உங்களோட அந்த பாட்டு வாங்க எனக்கு இப்போ நல்லா ஓரமாக வருது. Anyway,
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, enjoy குட்டா.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta.
Happy birthday to you Sangi. Happy birthday to you. Always admired your proactiveness and your down to earth nature. And I should also say the same for Suja also. Both of you are really great.
How are you? Many, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the happiness in your life.
Hi Sangeeta, happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. Have a nice time today. I recollect those days when you were staying at Dombili, just outside the station, and you were moving here and there outside your house with your parents, with a smiling face always. And that continues to be even today after so many years. Let it continue, and all good wishes for a healthy and happy life to you and your family. May you be blessed with all the good things in your future endeavors. Good day.
Hello. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta.
So have a great day and make the most of the quarantine situation by celebrating this special milestone. One of my earliest memories of you is I don't know why it's stuck in my head, but it's just one of the things that's so vividly in my mind. One of the first times that I had visited SRK when I was very, very small and I played on the swing. I remember all the adults were busy and you were the only one who took out time to play with me on the swing. So yeah, that's a very fond memory from my childhood. So I hope your life is filled with a lot of these happy moments, lot of memories to cherish.
Happy birthday, Sangi Chitti. Have a great day.
Hi Sangi. Wish you many happy returns of the day. क्या बोलूँ?
Birthday Sangudu. Yay, it's a milestone birthday. Have a wonderful and very adventurous and a very memorable year ahead. God bless you.
Sangeeta, birthday wishes from New Jersey. Have a great day. Happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday and best wishes. Enjoy the day.
Happy 40th birthday.
Hi Sangi, happy birthday. Happy milestone 40th. Can't believe you're 40. Still remember Kichi Mama calling you Shangli Changli. Anyway, Changli Bungli. Happy birthday. Keep smiling. Enjoy life. Have fun. Take care. Love you loads.
Hi Sangi, happy birthday. Enjoy your 40th birthday and have fun. Stay healthy and happy. We love you loads from Austin, Texas. Mochi saying happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sangi. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Sangi. Many more happy returns of the day. Welcome to the club.
Hello Sangi. Many more happy returns of the day. Happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Have fun.
ओके हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे संगी। मुझे याद है कि हम लोग जब आसाम से आए थे और स्कूल तुम लोग का स्कूल चल रहा था और हम लोग का स्कूल नहीं था और हम लोग नीचे खड़े रहते थे मॉडल इंग्लिश में ताकि तुम लोग नीचे आओ और फिर हम लोग श्वेता विलास में जाए और कुल्फी खाए और वो सब क्या मज़े के दिन थे। तो वो याद आ रहा था और फिर हम लोग जब वेस्टेस्टर आके तेरे साथ ठहरे थे तो वो भी इतना मज़ा था। दैट वाज अ वंडरफुल टाइम। तो ये सब दिन याद आ रहा है तेरे 40th बर्थडे के दिन। होपफुली यू हैव अ जूम पार्टी और समथिंग, तो हम लोग की तरफ से विश करने के लिए। सो हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे
संगीता।
Happy 40th birthday, Sangeeta Parimai.
ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। हैव अ फन डे। जब बैंगलोर आएंगे तब मिलेंगे। ओके, टेक केयर, बाय।
Happy birthday, Sangeeta.
Happy birthday Sangeeta.
Happy birthday Sangeeta. Have a safe birthday. As a क्या बोलते हैं उसके अपने हम लोग के चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज में से एक मेमोरी है
जब संगीता और सुजाता कराटे क्लास जाते थे और उसको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए मैं एक बार श्वेता विलास में मिल गया था। तो उसने कुछ तो भी सीख के नहीं आई थी और उसने मेरे को उठा के ऐसा पटक दिया था पूरा। एक बहुत अच्छा मेमोरी था जो हम लोग श्वेता विलास में सब जन एक साथ वेकेशन में मनाते थे। ठीक है, टेक केयर, बाय।
Happy birthday, Sangeeta.
Hi Sangeeta, wish you a very happy birthday. I can't wait for all of us to catch up. So stay safe, stay healthy. The rest of the year is hopefully far, far nicer to us than it has been till now, starting from the 18th of May.
Hi Sangeeta Akka, wish you a very happy birthday and I can't wait to see you all and I hope you have a great one. Bye.
Hi Sangi, happy birthday to you. इसके बारे में क्या कहूँ? संगी बहुत
Hi Sangeeta ka, a small birthday song for you. जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे, जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी, प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी, ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु, ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु, पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय, पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय, जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं, जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं, जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, सर्वदा मुदम्. Many happy returns of the day, Sangeeta ka.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta ka. We wish you an amazing, wonderful, safe and healthy year to you and your family.
Hope to see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care.
Sujaka, wish you a very happy birthday. Thanks to both you and Sujaka for always being there for me ever since I came to Bangalore. And I have always seen both of you juggling multiple roles of being a mother, wife, daughter, as well as other passions like art and gardening along with professional life so efficiently. And you both make it look so effortless, but it's very inspirational. And आपके घर जब हम आए थे तब पहली बार हम एक दोस्त से मिले थे, वो है गजपति कुलपति. थैंक्स टू यू एंड वेदा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग तुलिका बुक्स. मैं और मेधा उसके बड़े फ़ैन हो गए एंड वी हैव अ सीरीज ऑफ बुक्स विच वी बॉट लेटर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग दैट टू अस. And wish you a very happy birthday and may you have many more cheerful, happy, healthy birthdays and hope to see you soon as this pandemic comes to an end.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta Bimba. Sangeeta, Mommy Sangeeta. But I like to play with Rishi and Veda monkey.
God bless you.
God bless you.
I love you.
I love you.
Take care.
Take care.
Have a lovely year.
Have a lovely year.
Lovely year ahead.
Lovely year ahead.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Sangi Chitti.
Happy birthday.
Hope you have a wonderful day. We love you so much for so long. I don't know how to get back up. Yes, I had so much for so long that I don't know.
Hi Sangeeta, how are you? Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, dear. I miss the moments we used to spend together. Remember the days we used to organize society get together and Antakshari on terrace. Such a beautiful moment spent with you. Keep smiling. Your smile is adorable. Once again,
happy birthday. Oi Sangi, happy 40 yaar. You have been my closest and dearest friend for almost my whole life. From being kids who wrote songs on teachers, followed random strangers, watched Andaz Apna Apna n number of times and laughed like crazy, to adults who can sit down and have a conversation without being judged. Thank you for being a genuine and true friend. Wishing you tons of happiness today and for many, 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 many more years to come. Happy birthday, Sangeet.
Hey Sangeeta. Happy 40th to you. Have a rocking 40 and here's to more naughty 40s. See you soon.
Hi Sangeeta, how are you? Long time. Wish you a very 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 happy birthday. अभी भी उधर केवी पार्क में जैसे गाना गाती थी गुनगुनाती रहती है क्या? और I remember the photo which I had of yours where you did like this, if you remember. So it's been a long time we have met, but do message me and wish you a very very happy birthday. Stay safe and stay at home.
Hi Sangeeta, I hope you remember me. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Take care. God bless.
How are you? Do you remember our industrial training? It was the place where I really got to know you. In fact, the only memory I have about that place is our time spent in the library, our post-lunch strolls, and of course Varkar sir with his extra small eyes and round mouth. Obviously, since then both of us have moved on in our lives. But it is so comforting to know that whenever we catch up, we can simply pick up from where we left without any expectations, explanations and judgments. I really value that. So, my dear friend, wish you a very very happy birthday. Keep flashing that lovely, beautiful smile of yours and proudly flaunt those super cool dimples. You know na, they can still make me fill with envy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Subbu. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I'm really grateful to God that we all met, and one of the best years of our life that we spent together, you, me, Mukta, Chinni, Kantru, Arabian, amazing times of life. And I'm hoping that we'll all get together soon and we'll tell stories to our kids, especially when these guys were beaten up by the police to try to save your mobile. One of the best memories that I still remember and I tease these people about. Enjoy your day, have a good one, and hopefully we'll all get together soon and remember our old days fondly.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sangeeta. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta!
Happy birthday, Sangeeta auntie.
Though we did not sing so well like you, hope you had a great day.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta auntie.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta. Have a fun year.
And hope to see you soon.
बचपन से लेके जो भी हमने किया है ना, कराटे, म्यूजिक, पढ़ाई, जो वी आर so very different people, but the frequency that we share is amazing. Okay, कुछ मैंने पियानो में प्ले कर दिया तो आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगी, कुछ दमशरण में तो नहीं किया मैं पकड़ लूँगी. So it's just grown over the years, and I'm just blessed to have a sister like you, and very proud the way you have evolved over the years and achieved so much, be it work, music, family, and have a lot of things to learn from you. So thanks for always being there for me. Or not to forget the laughter that we have, crazy. And yeah, so have a great life, be blessed, And here's to an amazing daughter, wonderful wife, loving sister, and a great mom. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Love you.
बारिशों का बोसा है, मीठा है कोसा है, बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है, कोसा है, बारिशों का बोसा है। जल 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 बहता चल नन्ना रे 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 बरसो रे मीठा, बरसो रे मीठा मीठा, बरसो रे मीठा बरसो। गिली 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 हाँ हा 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 हा। गिली गिली माटी के चल घराते बनाएंगे रे। हरी भरी अम्बी अम्बी की डाली मीठे झूले झुलाएंगे रे। हो धन बैजू गजनी हल जोते सबने, बैलों की घंटी बजी और ताल लगे भरने। रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली, रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली, पार वाले पर लेके नार चली रे मेरा नन्ना रे नन्ना।
Hey Sangeeta, as you celebrate your special day today, I think you've had a great decade with a lot of milestones that you've achieved, and I'm sure you're going to have more. Keep smiling, stay happy, and be who you are in pursuit of those milestones. Happy birthday and welcome to the club.
May your birth be blessed and blessings be more, and nothing but happiness comes to your door. And may you have love wherever you go, and blessings of flowers and flowers that grow. May wind be at your side, and sun be overhead. May friends be at your side wherever you Happy birthday, Amma.